Chef here. I wanted to talk to you today just real quickly about knife selection as well as knife maintenance. So I'm just cleaning these babies off. This particular set doesn't get used that often. What do we have here? Solling in Germany. Meridian Elite by Messermeister. These are the best German knives made that I know of. But anyway, there's a lot of them to choose from. So every couple of weeks I find myself cleaning these babies off. I like to use a non-toxic cleaner. This one here, BioGreen, this is good stuff. And it's just safe. It's better around your food items and on your hands and everything too. So it kills germs and cleans the knife handles very well. They get a little sticky over time, you know, just from use, as well as splatter from grease, things like that. Depends how busy you are. So these steak knives, I got 8 of them. These 8 steak knives fit across the bottom, and wow, they're really, really nice. The size, the shape, the feel. And I just want to give them a little cleaning. Thought I'd share that with you. This is a really nice block set, and it's a swivel block. So it's kind of cool. You can swivel it to whatever direction you're working in. And that's got a few advantages, and it's not expensive. These are super high quality knives, and you can learn more about them on the sponsor site right there. And I'm all done. So I just gave this baby a quick cleaning. Like to do that every now and then. And this is kind of a backup set. I got a lot of knives, and they all get used. But anyway, that was my video for you. If you need to score any of these high quality ones, like this little 6-inch chef knife, Granton Edge, perfectly balanced, perfectly shaped, visit your sponsor. They got them on sale. They give you free shipping, no tax most areas, and they give you customer service if something goes wrong. That's the difference between buying from a small business and buying from a big discounter, big box store. You know who they are. Yeah. They'll want to give you different products, similar products. They take this exact knife and they put 15 other ones right next to it at lower prices, and everybody buys the cheap stuff. So that's why I'm sharing this with you. You want to buy the best the first time you'll have it. By the way, this set's about 10 years old. Looks brand new. These knives function perfectly. Well maintained, well sharpened. I take care of them. Subscribe on this channel and learn a lot more about knives and knife sets. And with that, get cooking. Have a great day. Make sure you leave a comment. Like, share, subscribe. Score all the cool stuff at your sponsor. Get cooking, and of course, for the recipe, subscribe and watch the chef's other videos. You're gonna find it. Sourdough bread. Oh, it's gonna be good. If you want one, you can visit the sponsor and you can check them out right there. They got all kinds of them at the sponsor. Oh yeah, I got some homemade clam chowder here. I put extra clams in there, lots of potatoes, some thyme. It's good to go. Make sure you subscribe. You can check out some of the soup recipes that I've decided to share. Black pepper, I love it. Oh yeah, let's put a little extra grind on there. Yeah. Once again, visit your sponsor for all the cool stuff. Make sure to subscribe right down there. Smash that like button. diet. That's why I'm touching on them. And the gloves. Whole garlic. Super high antioxidant. You already know that from watching my other videos. If you want to learn more about garlic, it's real simple. Subscribe right down here. Put garlic in the little search engine and you're going to find all kinds of things. Garlic facts, garlic nutrition, garlic recipes, how to roast garlic, how to chop garlic, how to mince garlic, how to dice garlic. All kinds of cool stuff. I love it and I eat a lot of it every day. Boost your immunity. Star anise. Oh, it's a really nice quality. Hard to find.